all are doing well. As you have already known what this video will be about, obviously Kodaikanal. So this is the first place we saw on the way, which was the Thalaivar Falls, which is said to be the largest falls of the south. And second is the Rose Garden. This is a view from the outside of the. Why to waste 60-70 rupees for the entry fees जब वहाँ फूल खिला भी नहीं था, तो उसके लिए क्यों पैसा वेस्ट करना. That's why we saw from the outside. And next was the pine forest, which was a mini pine forest. And after that we saw the Gundar Falls, which was a complimentary one which we got in our package. And then we went to the Palani views. Sorry if I mispronounce it. And this is a viewpoint, like overall view of the place you will get. And then you will see me shooting myself. And then उसके बाद we reached the Mahalakshmi temple, which was made in resemblance to the south temples, which was said by the guide. I don't know the exact thing. And then we reached the Pumbarai village, which is a scenic viewpoint, like the aerial view which you can see from there. And then this village, it said like a song from iMovie was shot there. And then we reached the Munawar lake, which is a heart-shaped lake. In this lake you will get to see various sheep, rabbits, and also you can see horses. Also you can ride over them, which costs around 200 for doubles and 300 for singles. This was the last place we visited. उसके बाद we had our lunch and then we moved to our room, क्योंकि इसके बाद बहुत फॉग हो चुका था और वहाँ में व्यू पॉइंट्स वगैरह देखना तो was no point. That's why we went to our room. And now this is the next day and this is the second day in Kodaikanal. And first तो हमारे रूम के बगल में ही था ये कोडाई लेक. सो वहाँ पे हम लोगों को पहले बोला गया था कि वहाँ चले जाओ, वहाँ में तुम लोग टाइम पास कर लो थोड़ा. देर वी डिड बोटिंग which was 300 for 4 peoples. And then we did this cycling जो 2 जन बैठ के जो करते हैं. I don't know what it is said. It was also 300. And then उसके बाजू में कोकर्स वॉक एक पार्क था, वहाँ से भी आप व्यू पॉइंट देख सकते हो. It was too foggy. And उसके बाजू में एक ब्राइंट ले पार्क था. This is I feel not worth money because यहाँ भी entry 60-70 कुछ लेते. And then after that we started. The name of the church is La Salle Church. I'm sorry if I'm wrong pronouncing it, but something was the name. बाहर से तो कुछ खास नहीं था, but अंदर से it was nice. And then we come to the Pambar Falls, जो फोटो में तो बहुत बड़ा दिखा था, but reality में was something बहुत ज़्यादा small. And this is a golf course. And then उसके बाद एक Moyers Point करके भी आता है कुछ. There like you won't see anything, nothing much. Then is the Pillars Rock. There is a whole complete story behind this. Like we went to the watch this. It was completely so fog, like तुम्हें एक भी रॉक वहाँ से दिखाई नहीं देगा. उसके बाद I was like भगवान मेरे को ये थोड़ा सा तो दिखा दो, थोड़ा सा तो दिखा दो. उसके बाद बहुत टाइम रुकने के बाद जाके फाइनली हम लोग को दिखा था वो 3 pillars. And उसके बाद we come to the Guna Cave, the most famous one, where many of the movies were also shot. And this is how inside of the Guna Cave looks like. Then we come to the Pine Forest and the most famous song Aapke Pyar Mein was shot here from the last movie. And then we go to the upper lake viewpoint, which is nothing but the Kodai lake again. And here we come to the third day, the last day of Kodaikanal. First we stopped here for the breakfast and see the view from there was awesome. And on the way we saw a falls, that is the Vatakanal Falls, and the water was ekdam freezing water. And then from वहाँ से we went to the Dolphin's Nose. Dolphin's Nose is a 20 to 30 minutes trek which you need to do to reach this point. And after that again you should come back 20-30 minutes walking distance, which was so tiring. And yeah, this was the final place we were left with. And one more point was there which was closed because of some issues, and we could not go there. And on the way we saw bison, which I saw for the first time. And this was the last waterfall which we saw on the way. And yeah, this is how we ended our trip to Kodaikanal, and see you in the next one. Bye.